Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ram Ke English. Friends, if you click this video, it really means you want to improve your communication skill, also want to be fluent in English. Friends, if you don't know how to speak English and you also want to know how you can speak English and how you can impress anyone and how you can grow your self confidence by speaking English, then friends, you came here, it means very good. Before the 60 days ago I could not speak English, and when I started speaking English, then my mouth was stucking, and after that I could not sleep for 1 or 2 nights just because of thought and worried about how can I speak English, how could I not speak English. But I decided that time I will completely change to myself by using my mental knowledge. Friends, it's totally matters what you can do in your life and what you cannot do in your life. It totally depends on your brain, on your brain. Okay, friends, if you want to know how you can improve English, then you can ask a question from yourself. When you ask a question from yourself, then you need to sometime you need to for some time for thinking. You think about yourself, and when your mind gives you reply, you have to work for that. If you want to be fluent in your journey of English, then you need to day by daily practice. It may be you with your partner, it may be your friend, it may be your parents, and it may be many more which you like to, and the person who understand your feeling, understand your mistakes. And one thing is best I want to recommend you, friends, if you have no any partner, if you have no any English environment, then you have to make a friend your mobile. When you make your phone your friend, then it's come very easily. Friends, when you make your phone your friend, then very very helpful for this type of tips for you. Friends, I could not speak English, but I promised to myself I will completely change to myself, and that trick which I want to tell you and which I tell you and said you, and I tried to my best, and day by daily practice I practice day by daily. And now this time you can see I cannot speak English properly, but I can speak English quite good. Friends, while you speaking English and when you start your English speaking journey, then you don't need to compare with anyone, with yourself, just of because that they have a more knowledge, they have a more energy, they have a more experience, they have a more time of practice. That's make him or her very confident in English speaking. But you are a beginner, then you don't have a confidence and you don't know how can you speak English. Friends, if you practice day by daily in front of your mobile camera, then you also become a good, and you also become a very confidential person, and you know how you can speak English. Friends, I don't know about any grammar rule, and friends, I know everything which is related from grammar, and I know completely. But here is a no any part of needed of grammar in your English speaking. It's totally depends upon your confidence. When your mind gives you confidence how you can speak in front of your mobile camera, in front of people, then it's become very easy for yourself. And friends, you have very happy when you become a good. Everything you can decide by your thinking and your ability. Friends, if you want to improve your communication skill or you want to fluent in English, then friends, like, कमेंट, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। एंड हाँ, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद। प्रैक्टिस डेली करते रहिए, ठीक है? धन्यवाद।